Today we are cleaning my AirPods because they stink. You want to see my hair? No, you don't. Yeah, look at them. Yeah, we're not doing that. Step 1, water. I'm gonna use laundry detergent. I just don't want to go upstairs to get the soap. That should be enough. Oh, as you can tell, I do have covers. I bought them for this very reason. It's just, I don't know why I took them off, but I'm also just gonna put them in there as well because they are a little dusty. So. Okay, I'm done now. Okay. Click. All right, we're back. We're good.